Hey, what's up, guys? So I want to show you BigVu, a teleprompter that I use for all my videos. I have another channel, um, and I use it all the time. I now, like again, I just started this channel. This is my second video, and um, you know, um, But my first channel, my main channel, I used this teleprompter. You could do no credit card required, which is what I do, or you could do these packages, which is expensive, and I can show you how to do all this just with using here. Uh, you know, um, you don't have to get all these packages. You could use other tools. Now, if you want to learn how to do those, uh, like get those tools without getting these packages, just subscribe to my channel, comment below, and tell me if you want to learn on without getting these $12, $19 a month, 149 billed yearly, 229 billed yearly, $589 billed yearly. I'll show you how to do everything with the free version. Um, but let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys. Um, and if you don't know how to get a script, ChatGPT will do the script for you. You just put new script, right? And of course, let's move this over here. Of course. Let's try. Hopefully, I don't get lost. Can you write a script for me on any subject? I'm making a video right now, and I'm live right now. I just want to show the viewers what they can do with Chat GPT as far as script writing. Give me a really good script, a good subject.
Absolutely. Here's a script you can use for a live video that shows viewers what ChatGPT can do for script writing. The subject will be how to write engaging scripts with ChatGPT in minutes. A great way to highlight ChatGPT's usefulness for creating professional scripts quickly. Hey everyone, welcome to the live stream. Today, I'm going to show you something super cool.
So it gave you all this. Yeah, it gave you all this. Now, you can tell them that you just want the script. Let me tell it. Can you just give me the script without the intros or anything like that? I just want the script.
Sure. Here's the script without the intros or any extra dialogue, focusing only on the content. First off, ChatGPT is an AI language model that can assist in generating scripts in a matter of seconds. If you're stuck on ideas or don't know how to structure your script, ChatGPT is a great.
Okay. I'm not going to punish you guys. Go through that. And it's a mobile version too. So you don't have to worry about that. And if you paste it to your desktop, it will go into your oh, here we go. All right. It will go to your mobile too. You save it. You can ask it to give it a title, but I'm just gonna say Chat GPT. I'm just gonna call it that just for the sake of this video. It's only, as you can see, I've been using this for a long time. You can go off here. And I don't know what's going on. Please allow microphone permission. Make sure your devices are available. Default. Okay. Whatever. Okay, whatever. I'm not worried about it. Let me make sure my camera is working. Yeah, my camera is working. Oh, it's busy right now. That's why. Because I'm doing this video, so that's probably why. But you know, you can do without. Anyway, it is what it is. You could set the speed here. You'll be able to play with these options. If worst come to worst, guys, if you want me to make another video, if you don't understand it, you know, it won't let me go further because I'm using my camera here. Use effect camera. Here we go. Anyway, I don't know what this thing is doing, but this is a quick way. You know, all the creators are doing it. Most creators that's smart use a teleprompter, so you're not sitting in front of the camera like, you know, stuff like that. Anyway, I think we know about BigVu, we know about GPT, how they both can be good with each other. Let me know in comment if you want to know more about it. And tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, ring that bell so you can learn more tips and tricks. I have tips and tricks that will last for years and years. I've been doing this for years, and I have so much information to share with you guys. But if you like this video, like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell so you wouldn't miss a video. All right, thank you.